Let's double check the ETHENA. For ENA, I guess everything will be okay, just because of a speculative moment for this token. It's not just because it's something special token or it's going to the moon. No, I guess we just like basic speculation, at least will return back to the yearly open. It can be this year or the next one, and it's around this one. First of all, it's inside 27 block of this indentation accumulation pump model, what we use it since April 24. We sweep the low 2 times, and basically if we sweep based on this model, these levels now flip to resistance zone, like you can see the reaction on the weekly time frame. So the negative scenario, of course, if we will drop down and go into the price discovery mode, because there is under this week on the BitGet, there is no support, absolutely nothing. You have to double check the vesting schedule and fundraising rounds. Maybe it's gives some confidence where we can't stop, because sometimes the people come back and drop exactly to the seed round prices. One take. But I hope we get a hold the line here, because we're ready. Let's hide this feed, and I will show you we almost, I guess, even drop under 0.5 if we count the week. You know, if we use the FEEP of the week, here we hold the line with the body candle at 61 low by FEEP. On the weekly time frame, let's close this one. And if we use, come on, let's close even this one. And if we use the daily week, so here also we drop it down to 61. Now try and break the 0.5. So if we not hold the line, so the next step and the support, it will be around 1956, 1729. Maybe at these levels, I will tie the ETHENA for the open long. You know, for the spot, I'm enough with position. So if you want to open long here, stop loss under this week, it's kind of big one, stop loss. So around here, we can count like 20%. Anyway, it's kind of too much. That's why, yes, maybe we need to use only here with at least like 10% stop loss. So if you want to open futures trade, more than logical, try to 1729, stop loss around 1542. Second lever is 20% against here, against at least 62 cents, like 20% stop loss against over than 500% gains with the second lever. So it's good. I guess it's good. It can be the good risk ratio trade. But anyway, we have to or hold the line now and go higher or drop it down. So I'm waiting lower. If not, I will be more than okay, you know, to skip the trade with the ETHENA. All right, let's double check once again the FEEB retracement. This is a swing trades fixation. And yes, I believe the ETHENA can hit the new all-time high. Yes, hard to say how high we can pump, but I think this range, you know, it's yearly range now. We consolidate, so around $2 maybe. Everybody's screwing, we're going to the moon. I don't think so. We're gonna finish the ride like this one into bear market. I don't think so. We never seen the A3 on the market. We never seen the you know, some madness like everybody going all day into talking. So I think this stage will be next in spring somewhere 6. Of course, guys, I can be wrong. It's just my feeling, you know, based on the sentiment now around the crypto space. Some people say that total A3 at top of the top was when the Trump launched the token. I'm not agree. So let's hide this one. So the rectangles, now it's like rejection, right? And this is going to be the rejection. Done. Let's hide these levels and let's double check with volume. So this level is most tradable volume all the time. So it means this is just a volume. It doesn't mean it's something for buy or sell. No, it's just a point of control, POC, based on this indicator on the weekly time frame. This one is here on a daily. It's 58 cents. So we can focus now on daily. So let's hide the point of control. So this is a volume of low. Let's adjust with the color like here. This is going to be the support level. This one is going to be the resistance. And we can confirm. So the volume of sellers, a main one, which we have to break if we want to talk about uptrend move. here. This is exactly around, where that one? Here. Around the 27 block. So it's 81 cents. If we're going to pass it, definitely we'll find some rejection at this block, and I think we'll go higher. Support we lost. So we lost the support level of accumulation. This one, yes, 39. It's on a daily. On the weekly, if we double check, hey, where the data? Oh, here, finally. Yes, we also lost the support. So under is basically open space, nothing. No zone of interest. This is a zone which we have to break if we want to talk about uptrend move. And basically, it's kind of big move. Can be like over than 200%. That's why, guys, if you want to accumulate now, up to your own risk, you know, at let's say it's 30 now, at 60 at this volume candle, it will be not a mistake to withdraw initial deposit. Got it. Yearly open, definitely, I guess we're going to test it. So it's inside 27 blocks, so it's around 91 cents. So 81, 91 cents in this range, I think we will find some strong seller pressure, right? But I think we will reach these targets at least. Got it. Daily, if we hold the line now and not drop one more leg down to 17 cents, the first trouble area will be the 39 cents. Hard to say, are we pump or dump now, but at least, you know, you have to build a plan. So at the monthly level, you can try open some short position, but I'm rather open around here at the full field, right? So something like this one. You can try open that trade with a 7% stop loss, and I don't know where they're gonna be the point to fixation. Can be here like 30. So 14% against 60. I can't say it's something good trade. Better or skip or wait the entry and go to the yearly open. So this one is going to be like a magnet, you know, here. This is like a magnet for the price. So definitely, I guess we were going to hit this target. When? Have no idea. Let's double check the take profit, guys. What do we get now? We traded under fundamental value. Traded under fundamental value. Now fundamental value on the daily, it's 24.80 on the daily. Weekly, still no data. Not enough data. I guess we're going to drop a little bit lower, like 24.11. It will be not a mistake if we're going to test the buy line. But fundamental value on the 12 time frame, it's 18.19. Got it. And the take profit line now is 47.88. Exit line 54.11 on the 12 time frame. Take profit on the daily, it's 65.72. Exit line 74.44, around here. So believe it or not, but we're gonna test these levels, right? But when, it's hard to say. You can add alert. I'm gonna add alert for potential fixation or open trades, like take profit line on the daily. I would like to. Now, technically, it's okay for accumulation. ADZ direction, guys. Direction or ADZ now in accumulation zone. Last time that type of accumulation was here. We drop it one more leg down, was here, and we skyrocket from 21 to $1.32. Now basically the same levels. Also accumulation on the direction indicator, it's bullish. So, you know, we can't going down forever. So we move, well, technically we moved just in the sideways. And of course, I don't think so. This week in April 24, it's the end of cycle for ETHENA. No, we never seen the distribution zone on the weekly. It's bullish. Direction, just neutral now. Take a look at the market mode. Yes, it's capitulation. Last time when we traded capitulation was a June 25. We bounced it from 25 to 86. So I guess now we around the bottom. But you remember, after every single bottom, we can see another one like a gift for us. ADZ, we can close this one. Market smooth. This is a disbelief on daily. Monthly, this is what I don't like. Monthly, we are still in apria, but I wish to see some rebound at least, you know, on the weekly time frame. By the way, in a monthly here, 53, it's will be not a mistake to fix initial deposit because it's going to be the full fill of monthly gap. That's why, guys, based on this price section, a lot of people, and I also, me included, I thought we could form the double bottom. We not form a double bottom. Now it's not even the triple bottom. You know, I can't say it's triple bottom. No, on a line chart, it's nothing. So there's no patterns, you know. No makes sense to try to find a patterns if there is no patterns. If we use the trend line by line chart, so something like this one, extend lines, right? Anyway, I guess we're gonna test this level here by Fib. So when, it's hard to say. Maybe it's gonna be the May 2026. It's going to be the sad, really, really sad, guys, if now we will drop lower, after that rebound, and it's going to be the end of cycle. Maybe it's if we drop to 15 cents, for example. No, I don't think so. The 500% is going to be the end of cycle for ETHENA, but it's possible. It's possible. Who knows? I'm more about, so we're going to hit the new all-time high. When? Hard to say. All right. Let's double check the last two indicators, money in, money power, and trade on. Here, money in. Yes, somebody accumulate. The last time we saw this type of accumulation only here. August 74 and August 74. Nice one. And finally, the first time in history last week, we saw the money in ETHENA. Nice. Nice one. So it's bullish. If you don't get it. Here was a buy, sell, buy back. No main signal to take profit, it's bad, and no main signal to buy again. So let's add alert to buy signal. Maybe we'll see the signal really, really soon. On the daily, everything more positive. Here was a sell in August. Take profit, buy, bounce, recommendation, close position, buy. Now no sales, nothing. So I'm more bullish than bearish for ETHENA. And the target, at least conservative one, is 55. This one 60. After that 86, 93. When we're gonna reach this 27 block, we make updates and track what's going on with ETHENA now. Guys, I hope you like this video. Wrap this in a comment what you think about ETHENA. If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I will show on this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.